In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Honey Willow discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Honey Willow discount codes. Right here, we have this website, which is called saver.com. And as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with 10% off, all I have to do is select show code right here, and as you can see, this is the discount code that I can copy right here and apply on my next purchase so that I can get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called yourdrop.com. And as you can see, we have this promo code with 10% off discount. All I have to do right here is just select this option, show coupon code, and this is the code that I can use in order to get my discount. As you can see right here, I have been automatically redirected to the website. So the discount code has been applied, and now I can make the purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.